What's up everybody? So today I'm here at Pacer Yamaha, Kalyan Nagar, and yeah, checking out these two bikes, FZX and the SXR, the latest 155cc. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it for a short spin. I didn't get permission to take it much far, but yeah, overall looks crazy. Let's check it out. Just down the road and back. Oh, super light. Check out the instrument cluster. Not bad. Not bad, it sounds good. Let's check it out. So the Yamaha XSR 155 comes with a 155cc liquid cooled engine making about 18.1 horsepower and 14.2 Newton meters of torque. It has a 10 litre fuel tank capacity and weighs just about 137 kilograms. I would say not too bad. It's pretty refined. The engine is good for sure. Does it give you the thrill? Maybe not so much. But yeah, decent. It's very light, easy to handle. And yeah, not overly gimmicks, no too much tech. It's just very comfortable, easy to ride. Cool, nice machine, and it has that Yamaha character. So yeah, smoothness of the engine is what I really like. Easy, comfortable to move around. It's a very good city bike. It's almost like the FC only, not much different from the FZ, I guess. Decent instrument cluster. You can just see the speed, the RPM, the gear. Not too bad. It also comes with customization kit options that you can choose from, a cafe racer or a scrambler look, and the ex-showroom price is about 1.5 or 1.6 lakhs, which would eventually work out to about 2.1 or 2.2 lakhs on road Bangalore. This road is not the best place to test ride this for sure, but yeah, not too bad. I actually got the feel of it. It's not so overly crazy, but yeah, cool. It's not that powerful as well, but yeah, I think for a commuter bike, definitely awesome. Good, I like it. Crazy. Now should I take the FZX rather? Maybe I can. Check out this one as well. How does both look side by side? See, it doesn't look bad at all. See, when you look at it, it looks like a cool bike, 155cc. It even has a tiny radiator. Let's check out the FZX now. And this is E20 compliant. That one should be as well. Whoa, this one has a silent start, man. It didn't make any sound, just silent start. And the foot pegs are a little bit more forward than that one, and the handlebar is more higher as well. Oh, this one feels a lot more smoother. Oh shit, does it have any fuel or not? Okay, it does. This one feels definitely more comfortable. The handlebar is up, the foot pegs are a little more forward, so it's a relaxed driving position, and it was a silent start as well. Suspension is definitely more plush on this FZX. Yep, definitely more plush. This comes with a 149cc air-cooled engine producing 12.4 PS and 13.3 Newton meters of torque. 10 litre fuel tank capacity as well, with a claimed mileage of about 53 kilometers to the litre. I think the riding position from this one is much better. Power-wise, I feel both are almost the same, not much of a difference. Both are smooth, good, typical Yamaha engine. This one's cluster looks a bit more fancy. You get a lot more information on this cluster. You can see trip time, fuel gauge, rev meter, gear. Even that has basic information, but this has more. Yeah, both are very easy to turn around in the city, comfortable for traffic. Nice. One thing I noticed is that the horn and indicator, right, it's kind of reversed in the SXR and the Z. Hazard here. And this one has a silent ignition, so it starts up very silently. That's the advantage, I think. And just the tech. Brakes are decent. Suspension is good. I like the suspension on this one. Feels more plush than the SX. Nice. This one's pretty good. Good commuter bike as well. Perfect for the cities. Nice. Not bad. Thank you people for letting me take this bike. I really like it. I appreciate it. Now let me go talk to them. Nice, nice, nice. Super. Check out both the bikes kept together. Which one do you like? Let me know in the comments. Peace. Peace out, yo.